To perform just a wash cycle, we recommend only filling the unit about 75% of the capacity. Overloading the machine will reduce efficiency and can cause excess wrinkling. When you are ready, power on the washer and turn the dial to the cycle you need. The settings will begin to flash, indicating these are the options selected. To change the settings, touch wash temp, spin speed, and soil level. You can also use the add options like pre-soak and pre-wash, extra rinse, and water plus. Now, since you only want to do a wash, make sure off is blinking under dry level. When you are ready, press start. Now, if you want the machine to wash and dry, you will need to reduce the amount of clothes. In this case, please load about 50% of the capacity of the drum. From there, select your wash cycle and options as in the steps before, but this time select one of the dry levels from the control display. Press start to begin the wash and dry cycle. Now, when using just the dryer, hand-washed items may contain more water than you think. In this instance, please load about 50% of the capacity of the drum. After the clothes are loaded, turn the control knob to one of the 3 dry settings. Auto Dry uses sensors to determine when the clothes are dry. If you are drying bulky fabrics like towels, you should consider using a timed dry cycle. For your delicate items, select a time dry with no heat option. When you are ready, press Start. Higher, room to invent.
Introducing the AEG 8000 series washing machines. Protecting the fibers of your clothes. Wash after wash. In traditional washing machines, detergents and softeners are not fully diffused before reaching the clothes. AEG's patented ErcoMix technology is unique. Water is first pre-mixed with detergent and then with softener before it enters the drum, so that it's fully dissolved and activated. The dissolved mixture is evenly distributed, reaching, cleaning and protecting every thread, stitch and fiber. The results look fantastic. The Erco Power program is ideal for daily loads of up to 5 kilograms, washing in under an hour without compromising performance or sustainability. Using the plus steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room, no fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Powerfully gentle, for deeper fiber cleaning and softer results. The AEG 8000 series washing machines.
Is it enough to just clean the surface of your clothes? Invisible fungus and bacteria are hiding in your clothes. A healthy and clean solution from Panasonic. Blue AG Plus Bacteria Elimination Technology. OH radicals and silver ions Ag+ attack fungus and bacteria effectively. Double disinfection for more reassurance. Panasonic Blue Ag+ Bacteria Elimination Technology.
Simplify your laundry with SmartDispense. Just open the dispenser drawer, fill the reservoir with up to 50 ounces of detergent. That's enough to wash up to 32 loads. Sensing your load weight, SmartDispense uses the precise amount of detergent that's mixed evenly with water before being dispersed on the laundry. And when your detergent runs low, get notified on your smart device so you get the perfect clean. No mess, no measuring.